repair something, I will to close all electricity in home.
11 match?
Yes, and then all people, I don't know what they're doing.
How we
need
go-
to move before they know they to stay somewhere.
39
Because
floor.
until 5 o'clock, no electricity. But 42 floors.
So you invite us 11 match to your place.
Yeah.
Okay, Shaira can?
What?
Yes, you just can walk without elevator. But
So
no
we use this
electricity.
one?
Yeah.
Yes, only with stairs. Stairs you can up, only up.
Okay.
This one same. Already. We're going to buy some foods in the market.
Some food and drugs
No.
for my new friends. Nothing. Anything okay.
Yes, it's not Nakloa market or not?
No one from Nakla. Nakla I have 1, 2, 3 market.
Many market. So we will take a Bolt taxi. Okay, you can see later. Shaira, this is stairs to the 39th floor. 39th floor. I don't know. Shaira, you cannot go to 39th floor. I think you cannot.
Huh?
39th floor. You want to walk?
Maybe half only.
Half?
Half only. I can. If I not, or is this? If I eat so many, it's okay.
We can try today if you want. If you're tired, we just take elevator if you want. Nicholas? Nicholas talk.
Да.
Ramp ways.
То есть если там живешь, то штукарь. Lady boy from Philippines and Thai fighting 3 days ago in Bangkok.
I know.
We waiting taxi now. Yes, Shaira know about this situation. Yesterday we been in Walking Street. So many people talking about this fighting about Philippine Katoy and Bakla,
Really?
Philippine Bakla and Thai Katoy. Oh. Do you head?
Are you okay?
Oh, this is wood fall down from the tree to Shaira head.
You have insurance?
Shaira,
Insurance.
you okay?
No.
Where?
I
Show
feel
me.
drunk.
Show me where.
Here. And here.
To head and here.
More pain here right now.
It's not heavy, but it's maybe from the high.
It's not heavy, it's heavy.
Heavy?
Yes.
Так, я вызываю. It's not special, sorry.
You can walk?
Can you take a look if it's
Maybe here or not? This one?
here, this part?
Wait.
I cannot even.
No, have red, little bit red here. Have. This one. Here? Yes, little bit red. This one.
And here. With some. Really, it's like two. Big bump
But
in my.
now you feel okay?
I feel drunk before after that.
But now already okay?
Here pain.
Pain?
Лет, вот мы.
Not easy for her now because pain. This is market in Nakloa. Just fried rice with shrimp, 50 baht only. Yes. This is all 50 baht. All 50 baht. You choose what you want. You want?
With rice, I want rice.
Okay. You choose, Shaira, what any.
duck.
Ah, it's duck and chicken.
About
180.
price.
200
This is 200.
200.
200.
And this?
อันนี้180 บาท
Ah,
180, 200.
This liver.
Liver, how much? 40, 40?
40 บาท
40 baht. Oh, you can see already.
2, no, 3.
Soup? With chicken?
เพราะ
Ah, pork. Do you want?
Already cooked.
Yeah.
Okay.
50 baht.
3, да?
This one.
It is ready, can to eat right now, or I need to cook?
No, she will
I need to eat.
Eat already, can eat. กินได้เลย
Right now. I can eat.
อันนี้กินไม่ได้
This I can.
อันนี้กินได้
Ah, this is cannot eat.
Because
This
it's
cannot
fresh.
eat is yes fresh, way close like this.
It can eat now.
Close. Take a look, Shaira. Close.
Don't touch it.
Close already. But this is already cooked already. This is also. No, it's not fresh. Oh, fresh.
Okay.
Very close. Okay.
พี่ทำตังค์900
Yeah, close.
Here, you can cook pasta.
Yes, we cook here. Yes, we cook. Clean here, cook.
Here they have
Vegetable also here.
market, fish market, have service. If you buy some fresh, they can cook it for you right now.
It's
They
depend.
clean.
It's depend.
You pay extra for cooking.
No, he
they
talked
cook
about
it.
Thailand. In Thailand, if you buy, they cook already. They will cook to you. But in the Philippines, if you buy, you need to go to home and cook in home.
Yes.
Not the same. Here, service to cook.
That's why
Okay.
it's more easy here. You can eat already. You can eat.
Yes.
Я пойду на солнце.
What is that?
Shaira, do you want these chips?
What is that chip?
But it is spicy.
It's okay. Spicy. It's okay.
Do you want? I can
What is
buy.
this?
แป้ง
Okay, we can try.
What is this? Speak Thai. What's a Thai?
Shaira, do you
แป้ง
want?
แป้ง
Pan. It's sweet or not sweet? Chips?
สวีท
Это что
เนี่ย
такое
น้ำจิ้ม
интересное?
เนี่ยสไปซี่นิดๆสวีท
This is
Spicy,
sauce,
little bit
sauce
sweet.
with sweet.
Do you want Shaira try?
Okay, we can
You
try.
need
Okay,
try.
one.
Yeah.
Here.
ก็บ่แม่นคนไทยกันหมด
Patay like the pantay. Papaya salad.
บ่เป็นคนไทย
Papaya salad.
You want salad?
Yes, we ordered already. Just only pay there, the other side. Can we go?
Okay. Where?
The
No,
other
wait, follow.
You try? You want? Юрка, нет, я его брал.
Papaya salad.
Papaya salad here.
How much? 50 baht.
This is salad. Papaya salad.
You don't can make. Some people make but that's green, sour.
She already eat, she like. Yeah.
Good. Very delicious.
Yeah, говорю тоже.
So we will go to buy. He said Croton is some drinks. I don't know what kind of drinks. Maybe later
From,
we will explain.
remember I say it's juice.
Ah.
Yeah, I go buy this tea already ready.
You know what we do it.
Oh, wait.
Three. Parrot. Parrot?
Parrot.
Not
No, it's
carrot.
bird only.
Bird? No, parrot.
Oh, parrot bigger more.
Huh?
Parrot's more bigger.
No, half parrot also maybe smaller. I think, I don't know, maybe. You know better.
Bird, parrot, they are birds only. Say birds.
Birds, okay, birds.
Big bottle. You can drink. Drinking water.
How many? How much money for 1 liter?
5
1.5 baht, 1 liter.
no.
1.5
No.
liter.
Because I don't know Thai language.
Big bottle I pay 5 baht.
5 baht for big bottle.
5 liter.
5 liter, okay. Visit near mini Big C. Mini Big C. Georgi go to Big C, mini Big C, and he will buy wine if have, and cola for Shaira. Shaira, you want cola?
Yes.
Really very hot right now, very hot. Wet. I use this one, it's good for, I can remove.
Maybe they have
Water.
also salampas there inside.
Salon pass? No, not need salon pass for you.
Hi Leon. You are ready after shopping? Oh, sorry.
Nicholas Finka, we bought already this one. Not this.
Welcome to my life. Welcome
your
to
life.
Thailand. Not sweet. 7. You have me discount? I buy 7. Bottle.
This is not green tea. Oh, maybe green tea. Green tea I want.
Discount? Need no. What is this? Special?
Hammer.
In the night shift, people walking, more safety, you know.
I think she used it for ice.
7-Eleven. So, how much you want? Oh.
How much?
Give me one more. Give me one more.
มันไม่จบไม่สิ้นมันก็เลยเหมือนว่าพอที่ประมาณดังนั้นน่ะเราสรุปได้นะว่า ความตายไม่ใช่สิ่งเดียวที่ตายถ้าทุกคนไม่ตายธรรมชาติจะเช่นดินทรัพ
Yeah,
ยา
we
กร
have already said.
ไม่พอแน่ถ้าทุกคนไม่ตายการเกิดไม่มีสิ่งใหม่ย่อมเสียหายบางทีความตายก็ดีนะคือแต่ว่าต้องการให้มันถูก
No, one more. One more.
One more bottle he want.
One more.
So you choose
Taxi.
taxi, Bolt taxi. We going to Sky Beach condominium. From what place? Nakloa,
Patison Market.
Patison Market. Econom 65. А вот ladies. Ladies, what is ladies?
But lady without boom boom or nobody know. Very interesting. Can if I have customer have question, nobody.
No, what wires? Econom.
Boom
and-
boom taxi.
Taxi. So this was 169 kilometers. Okay, choose econom.
Yes, boss.
Our car, Toyota Corolla, Silver 4300. Army or police?
Wow. How much?
Oh,
It's you?
the ring.
Darling.
Darling.
Sorry.
I
I can show you. I know road.